Good morning, everyone. Hope everybody's doing okay this morning. Ready for the big day. Just get right into it. Crude pushing up a little. VIX gapping down. Weird, should be gapping up. I'll explain why in a minute. Bitcoin not really doing much, kind of hanging out. Gold not doing much. Bonds not doing much. Market's really not doing a whole lot here. Just kind of hanging out, waiting on the Fed. A lot of times we see some movement and then we just chop around 11 and just, kind of chop around after that. So get our trading in early, and then if the market wants to just chill out, we just chill out. Bonds not doing much. Transports just moving with the market. The Dixie, the dollar, new range high overnight, strong. Oscillators, negative 201 with New York Stock Exchange, negative 220 with NASDAQ. So we're back at our 200 level, looking for a change there. Advanced decline lines rolled down, no surprises. Breast leading down as well, no surprises. Put to call, bearish, no surprises. Let's talk about the SPY. So here on the SPY at 384.10 level, once again, is the level we're probably going to be working off from at open. If we pull back 381.79, if we push up 387.06, my notes. If we take out 387.06, watch for Monday's candle. If we take out 381.79, then we're going to get into this gap down here. So if we take 387.06 out, we're watching for Monday's high. And if we take out 381.79, we're going to watch for that gap. Below that would be 376.67. Square got a downgrade to neutral with a price target of 70. Not doing a whole lot with it. Down a little bit. I don't really have a whole lot of levels here on this one, but if you want to look for this one, we're already below yesterday's low, so this would be a resistance area. So we have to retake that, obviously, to push up. So watch yesterday's low for if we push back up for a retest and continue to push down. You can see we are in a very nice downtrend here on this one. Not super textbook, probably try to get more touch points there, but you can see we can work with that. So that gives us a descending wedge breaking out of a descending triangle, breaking out of there on the 30. Let's take a look at that on the smaller time frames, the 15. So you can see I should actually move this up a little bit to yesterday's low. What would be right there? So we are below that level. PayPal got put on Bank of America's US 1 list. They actually took Visa off. We mentioned that yesterday. This was news that we mentioned yesterday as well in the trading room, but let's keep an eye on this. You can see when the news come out that it actually pushed up and pulled back. Let's just keep an eye on this one for the next few days. I don't have another one. I don't have a whole lot. I just don't trade it that much. But you can... Well, hold on, let's do this. Turn extended hours off. Always, it doesn't hurt to turn your extended hours off and look for gaps, obviously, and look for trend lines that could be there that pre-market hours tear up. So we do have a gap up here on this one. Go ahead and draw that while I got the chart up. All right, let's go back to... so we can keep an eye on this one. So let's get right back to our usual. Let's keep an eye on energy today with all this stuff going on with Putin, mobilizing. If this, war gets any worse, it could come right back and push up energy and natural gas. So, I mean, the stronger names right now, DVN, I like Oxy right now. Let's start with Oxy. Oxy seems like it's got more a little bit more attention this morning in pre-market, like the push-ups just a little bit better. Losing that MACD on the 5. Let's take a look at the daily real quick. You can see right here the 50. We need to take this 50 back. This was a level we were watching last week, and we got below it, retested. Could have made some money yesterday on the downside on that, but you got an ugly MACD there. DVN. Also, while I'm right here, I want to draw a line. I see something. So not only does this touch with a green candle, touch, but big strong red candle at that level, another red candle at that level. I always look for, try to find red candles as well, rejection candles into my lines. I just think they perform better. Not saying I won't use a series of green candles. Just if there's a red candle in there, I just feel like, from my experience, it does perform better. CVX, MRO just not really responding this morning that well. So CVX has been trading pretty well here lately. Nice move up. Let's go back to this daily. What did I just see? Almost shoulder, head, shoulder. Look at that. If you were to draw your neckline right through there, yeah, that's sketchy. I don't want to look at that like that, because with the FUD going on, if this Russia stuff, I just want to continue to try to keep a bullish mindset there. Short them if they're going down, but trying to keep a bullish mindset just because of everything going on in the world. Those do tend to work better during rising rates. You got LNG here too. This is ugly. I mean, this MACD is pinching, very ugly. But let's keep an eye on it. Let's keep an eye on LNG. Let's keep also. We seen that large tell order come in yesterday, TEL. So LNG is definitely in better shape here for natural gas, flagging right down into your moving averages. Inside day yesterday. So watch your previous day's range. We do that anyway. Watch your previous day's range on LNG if you're looking to trade that. TEL had a huge order come in on it yesterday. And that's just a little unusual. Big down candle. For some reason, somebody was buying calls. I have to recheck that. I think it was calls, but it could have been puts. I'll definitely recheck that, and we'll talk about that in the trading room. All right, so let's get back to our regular names. Let's go right to Apple. Apple has had 2 strong days in a crappy market. Just an unbelievable, just a monster. Look at your MACD here trying to change character. I just want to point out that your big resistance level here today is going to be your 20-day. If you take that out, you got your 50 and 200 up here. Your 9 will act as support. 153.67 and 161.24, the 2 levels I have. But there's a lot of levels right there to take off your moving averages. All right. Let's get to Tesla. Tesla, you can see right here, 312.34 is a big deal. We need to take this out. But also watch your range high right here. Let's go. I hate this. I'll be so glad. Your range high, I got it written down. Hold on. Your range high in that area is 314.67. Let's go to NVDA. So here with NVIDIA, what do we have? Did that gap? So this gap has not been finished filled yet. Let's keep that in mind. If we push up, that's there. Your MACD is possibly trying to change character here on the daily. Let's go look at the daily. See how it wants to. It almost looks like it wants to pinch and roll, just like it pinched right there. It looks like it wants to do that again, but let's keep an eye on it. Your histogram bars are changing. This one has the perfect bear flag. Come down, pushing back up right into a level that we have there, but your 9 moving average flagging. Bear flag on the daily right back into your 9. Your 9's at 135.30. 135.36. So let's keep that in mind. So we're bear flagging on the daily chart right into a resistance level as well. Let's take a look at that. That resistance level. or resistance levels that we have right now. 132.89, 133 even. Look at that as a zone in there. Then 134.26 if we push up. I don't know if I have anything else to the downside here. Okay, yeah, we do. Watch 129.70 if we pull back for support. Of course, watch yesterday's range, the highs and lows of yesterday's range, which is very close to 129.70. Looks like. One more. Let's look at AMD, and then we're going to call it. All right, AMD, watch this 74.67 down here for support. It's been touched. Come back, almost touched it yesterday. So that's a support area. Hopefully you watched yesterday's video that I just posted this morning. Hopefully you'll find time to watch this video so it'll help you learn how to trade intraday patterns using multiple time frames. This is a huge deal. You see a bear flag right there. I hope everybody has a great day, and I'll see you in the trading room. Let's make some money. Use discipline. 2 o'clock, everybody. 2 o'clock numbers, 2:30. We will have it up. Have a great day.